Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinit, class 10th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that formulas part 2. See here, these are the formulas. See, first formula is sin A is equals to cos into 90 minus A. See, observe here, sin and cos are related, tan and cot are related, sec and cosec are related. How sir it is related here? See, observe carefully. Sin A is equals to cos 90 minus A. Here A is nothing but angle. See, next sin after cos, no? Cos A is equals to sin 90 minus A. See, when it is sin, it is cos. When it is cos, it is sin. See, with these given reasons, we can say that sin and cos are related here. See, sin is equals to cos 90 minus A. Cos A is equals to sin 90 minus A. Next, tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A. Next, cot A is equals to tan 90 minus A. So, tan and cot are related. Next, sec and cosec are also related here. Sec A is equals to cosec 90 minus A. Cosec A is equals to sec 90 minus A. See, when it is sec A, it is cosec 90 minus A. When it is cosec A, it is sec 90 minus A. But for better understanding, let us go to the examples. Let us take one example here. Sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees. 60 is nothing but here angle it is. So sin 60 degrees. Sin in the place of A it is 60 degrees. What is the formula for sin A? Cos 90 minus A, no. Cos 90 as it is minus as it is, and A is nothing but what is A in the place? 60, no. 90 minus 60 is equal to cos as it is 90 minus 60 degrees is nothing but 30 degrees. Next, cot 40 degrees is equal to question mark. Cot 40 degrees. Cot 40 degrees is nothing but cot A it is. A means angle. Here 40 is a angle. Cot 40 degrees. See, cot A is equals to tan 90 minus A. Tan as it is with, see, cot A formula is tan 90 minus A, no. 90, tan 90 here minus A, what is given here? 40. 90 minus 40, 60. Nothing but tan 60. See here, these are the formulas. You have to by heart these formulas, then only you can do exercise 11.3. See, observe and listen carefully. See here, again, another type of formulas. See, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 now. Based on these given formula, let us derive two more formulas. See here, these are the two more formulas. Sin square theta. See, here two terms are there here. Let us find values for those two terms. See, sin square theta. Let us first of all sin square theta. See, when we find this value of sin square theta, we kept sin square theta as it is. Here cos square theta is in the form of addition. When we send it to the RHS side, it becomes subtraction. 1 minus sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Next, let us put this cos square theta as it is. When we bring this sin square theta in the RHS side, it becomes subtraction because it is in the form of addition. Addition becomes subtraction and subtraction becomes addition. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Next formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Understand? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. When we have to find the value of sec square theta, we have to convert this subtraction into addition. Let us bring this minus tan square theta into the RHS side. It become addition. Sec square theta as it is, we written like that only. When we bring the minus tan square theta RHS side, become addition. Minus become plus. That means subtraction become addition. 1 plus tan square theta. Next, see, whatever we are finding the value, it must be in the form of addition. See here, it is in the form of addition. It is in the form of addition. It is in the form of addition. Now we can find the tan square theta, but it is in the form of subtraction. So let us bring this minus tan square theta to the RHS side. This 1 bring to the LHS side. When we bring this 1 to the LHS side, it becomes subtraction because it is in the form of addition here. Sec square theta minus 1. When we bring the minus tan square theta RHS side, become addition is equal to tan square theta. Nothing but tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Next, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, no? See here, cosec square theta as we written as it is. When we bring this minus cot square theta to the RHS side, become addition. 1 plus cot square theta. Next, when we find out this is a value of minus cot square theta, it must be in the form of addition. So, we brought this minus cot square theta to the RHS side and 1 we brought to the LHS side. So, cot square theta is equals to cos square theta minus 1. So, based on these three formulas, we derived how many formulas here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we have to by heart these 9 formulas, then only you can do exercise 11.3. Next, one more formula is left here. What is that? You know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In previous classes only you have learned this. See, let us take in the form of a has sin theta, b has cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to a square means sin. What is in the form of a? Sin theta. A square means sin square theta plus 2 in here 2 there now. 2 into ab means it is a and it is b. Sin theta into cos theta plus b square means cos square theta. This symbol is called as theta. So in these all formulas you have one doubt here. See here, after cos only we are taking square, but after theta we are not taking square. Cos theta square we can write, no sir, here. No, in this trigonometry chapter we have to write this formula like this only. After theta we have to not put the square here. We have to put the square before the theta only. So by heart these formulas. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon. Whenever I keep the video, you will get the notification. Thank you for listening.